Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. As you can see, my boyfriend and I are somewhere high above the ground.
I don't know why she always has me doing this shit. Oh my god.
I'm so nervous. I'll show you guys. Oh.
I hate when you have me doing this shit.
I can't talk.
Oh my god.
Let me show you what we're looking at.
This brings me back to like that Christmas time where she made me go on the, what is it, the Ferris wheel? I'm like, don't fuck around, don't fuck around.
It's currently 11 in the morning. It took us like 45 minutes to get here. We had breakfast and yeah, we're going to the top of this random trail. We've never been here before, so very, very excited.
We also had to sit in the car for half an hour just to mentally prepare for this.
Oh wow, look behind.
Right?
See, I told you we have to make it on the way back. You guys see that?
We are.
We'll show you guys on the way back because it's gonna be so nice looking at that. You know when you can tell he's nervous. When A, he's very quiet, and B, look at his face. You know when somebody's like trying to hold it together, but if I started moving, shit would break loose.
Don't.
So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this nice little ride.
It's 11 in the morning, Jesus. Okay, record this.
Oh.
Record this. What just happened?
Guys, we have a problem. We stopped. Oh. And we're like in the middle. Okay, we're going. False alarm. I'm gonna start holding on.
This is gonna be fun, babe, she said. Oh my god, we're gonna have such a blast, she said. And then when I got here, it's like, yeah, by the way, it's wide open, there's no protection.
Oh my god, and we're swinging. I'm over this ride.
You do know that we're probably gonna stop every single time somebody hops on.
No way.
That's probably what's happening.
This is not fun anymore. The fun has ended.
I just want to show you guys what's going on right now.
I'm scared. I am scared, especially because we keep stopping and it's very high up. Like, I don't think we've shown you how far up we are. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm holding you guys for dear. Oh no. Not again. Not again. Can I see how far up we are? Looks like we're gonna walk down.
It's not that far, we'll walk.
Looks a little more peaceful. Raise bar here. Oh my god, we have to raise the bar, babe. Okay, go. For fuck's sakes. Wait, how do we get up? Oh. Thank you. I want to raise it till the last second. He raised it so early. Like, you want me just to fall off the cliff? What a thrill for $8.
It was fun.
A thrill.
A thrill?
But I'm glad to be safe on the ground. Thank God. Now your turn, go.
Yeah, right.
Hey guys, we have a dilemma again, just like the last trail. If you haven't watched that one, I'll have it linked up top over here. But there's 3 different paths.
Which one should we take? I guess leave it in the comments. Should we go to the middle? To the left?
Or to
Or to the right? The right one has a nice little path. I think we're gonna take
right.
the right.
Right, it is.
You see that?
This shortcut trail follows a ridge.
And rejoins the main trail from a 4 kilometer.
Use at your own risk.
Bum, 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 bum.
One thing though, if you come here, watch for all the massive rocks.
Here, let me hold your hand, because then now you're gonna fall.
The amount of times I've almost tripped, ridiculous. Like they just
almost?
Yeah, I've never made it to the ground.
The amount of times that you're always... How come I haven't even tripped once?
Because I have to like lift up my feet. Because I have to walk. Wow. Look at this.
Let's see.
Look at
Show me the way.
the light. The sun beaming through.
I keep on losing you.
Hey, I heard that.
I didn't trip.
I heard it.
You guys have no idea how nice this is.
Right, and it's nice weather again.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at this. It's funny because, you know, we want to put down the camera, but at the same time you don't, because it's like everywhere you look, there's like
somewhere.
little thingamajiggers right there. Not over there, but
Okay guys, Tarzan over here is going way off the trail.
okay, we'll show them, but get it in an angle, because this is going to be a nice freaking picture.
My mom's gonna be like, Pablo, where are you making Alex go?
Just stand right there.
Yes, my mom watches all my vlogs. Hi mom.
First, I have to be the one that's exploring, make sure that it's safe.
That's actually a sick picture.
Alright, you guys will see the picture. I'm surprised that you still haven't like seen that freaking log right there telling me, oh my god, I want it. Oh my god. And I'm the dangerous one, huh?
I did gymnastics, so this isn't dangerous.
Alright, let's see this.
Oh, shit,
Mrs.
there's
Gymnastics.
branches.
Let's see this.
I'm gonna
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Hey, that's cheating.
It's wobbling. No, I'm trying to get this out of the way. Woo! I broke it. Sorry, nature people.
P.S. I love your bag.
Thank you. I can't make it across because all the branches.
Oh, that's okay. Well, at least you tried. I believe you now.
Didn't even break a sweat.
Guys, so we have the ugly up.
It's really called Ugly Up.
And then we have the Bruce Trail.
Let's do the ugly.
Yeah.
Because you never judge a book by its cover. Let's go, guys.
Look at the terrain though.
The Ugly Up. Thank you. Wow. Caution tape. Let's go see what's going on there.
Trail's closed. Let's take a look at this.
Oh man. Wait, but there's this one.
I know, but don't we want to see what happened here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
What happened?
Oh, se cayó.
Alright.
I wonder why this trail's closed.
Wait, why? Can't you just jump?
You could, technically. But...
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
yeah, let's go this way.
That's not what I was thinking. Trail, very thin. Look at you guys getting all the angles. Oh wow, look. Hi.
Careful. Jesus Christ.
I
fuck around too much.
That's scary.
You fuck around too much. Hold on, stay right there.
That was the cutest reaction. I'm pretty sure I got that on camera. I didn't fall, you guys. I just went like this. But he thought I fell. That's adorable.
I'm curious.
Oh, watch out with all the bugs. What if there's a snake? The stress,
your little random dance?
The stress leaving my body every time I go on a trail hike. Oh shit, there's people.
Now we're at the bottom. Alright, let's go.
Made it back to our little squiggle bridge.
It was a path that we didn't choose.
Yeah, and it brought
That's
us
crazy. We pretty much went around for like almost what? Close to like a kilometer or two.
Mm-hmm.
Just to come back this quickly. Like this took like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah, what the heck? Update, we're back on this. Oh wow, it's so much nicer on this side. I feel relaxed now until it stops. We're closer together. The colors are beautiful here.
I'm like holding on for dear life.
Why do you always jinx it?
And me? What do you put me on this situation? That's more like it. No, I'm not moving my feet. My feet is too far away. This thing keeps on swinging. It might not look freaking scary to you guys, but holy crap. It's only when it stops.
It stopped. We should have just walked down. We should have just
No, I don't want to hear it.
Just walk.
You freaking made me walk all the way up the freaking thingy just so we can come back up. So enjoy it.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna be less scared this time. If anything, I'm way more scared because it's more windy.
I hate it when we stop like this.
Yeah. I feel like it's so relaxing when you actually go down and it's like nice and enjoyable, but the second you stop is the second you start to panic.
You think there was a kid that got out that stopped it? Yeah,
I think so. I think it's because they can't jump off. Like you need extra time for the mom to like help the kids go off.
True. Wait, she's also holding onto the rail.
Hell yeah. See how tight my grip is? Nothing's getting me off of this. Hey, you're pretty macho. Hey, you're taking yours off now. You're getting comfy.
You're holding a freaking thing like you hold your snack wraps. Frick, I should record your expression so they see it.
I'm like having fun and then it's just like oh god. Oh fucking shit.
What is that? That's not a train.
Yes it is.
Oh, there's a train. Sweet, thanks man.
Thank you.
Take care. What's the name of this park?
I don't know. Kelso?
Kelson.
Kelso.
Or Kelso. Kelso. Out of all the parks that we've ever been to in Toronto, this has got to be the nicest one. We didn't really get to like go around for too long.
Because it's huge.
And at the same time, you can only use it for 3 hours. Could have gone down more into the path, but we wanted to take the gondola.
The gondola down. Yeah.
The gondola down.
The little ski, well, the ski lift. It's a ski lift.
Mm-hmm.
We take the ski lift down. This is it for today's hike. It's so pretty just seeing all the leaves change and exploring new places. So that is it. If you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!